the LG V20 here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 11 is now at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available as of September 20th. So here it is, the iPhone 11. It has a 6.1 inch Retina display, a dual 12 numerical 6 on the back, and 64 gigabytes of storage. There's the front right there. You guys see it right there, front and back. It does have that big ass square on the back and the front for the camera and stuff like that. It's available in 2 colors. It's available in a few colors, so actually. So there it is. Take it to 11. The price of the iPhone 11 is $599.99 when you switch and stuff like that. So you guys put your number at the metric download and this one is $600. Full retail price $699.99. So yeah, like I said, available in colors. You got black, purple, green, and red. Alright, that's it. Like I said, that's available in 64 gigs. It says shoot 4K videos, beautiful portrait and sweeping landscapes with the all-new dual camera system. Capture your best highlight photos with night mode. See true life color in the photos, videos, and games on a 6.1 inch liquid retina display. Experience unprecedented performance with the A13 bionic chip, performing augmented reality and photography. Do more and charge less with an all-day battery life and wireless with water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, I think. So that's cool. Like I said before, you have a 6.1 inch liquid retina LCD display, water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, IPCC rating right there. Dual camera system with a 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide angle cameras and night mode portrait mode and 4K up to 60 frames per second. You also have a 12 megapixel true depth front camera and portrait mode 4K video and so you do have Face ID of course for secure authentication. The Apple Pay A13 bionic chip with 3rd generation engine, fast charging capable wireless charging, iOS 13 with 5 new tools for editing photos and video, and brand new privacy features. Says you need an ID verification required for fresh home, so that's really interesting. It says just the right amount of everything. New dual camera system, all-day battery, double splicing, smartphone, and Apple's fastest chip ever. Have a beautiful day. 6 stunning new colors for the 6.1 inch all-screen liquid retina LCD. Water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Take your photos further and wider. So you have an ultra wide and the wide camera down the back. See right there. Power 30 years a day. All-day battery life A13 bionic. The fastest chip in the smartphone, fast charge capable with the 18 watt adapter. You do have to buy that separately, it does not come with one. Privacy is built in. Face ID is the most secure facial authentication in the smartphone. It doesn't store or share your photo. It's more secure than Touch ID. Alright, so yeah, so it has all the stuff that you have to expect. iOS 13 on board with dark mode to the event. This iPhone has 64 gigabytes of storage. This new one to 23.3 gigabyte. Says you get up to 23.2 gigabytes available to the user. I don't know how accurate that is. So it's interesting there. You have a 6.1 inch liquid retina HD LCD display, dual camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide angle camera, night portrait mode and 4K video up to 60 frames. There is no external memory, of course, and this is an iPhone. Mobile hotspot up to 26 hours of talk time. iOS 13, A13 bionic, 13 generation micro engine. 5.8 ounces. So there's your accessories there. If you guys want to get accessories for the iPhone 11, go to Amazon, alright? So there you guys have the iPhone 11 S900X metric by T-Mobile. It's available for $599 minimum. You win, you guys switch the micro for a full retail price of $699.99, right? So there you guys have the iPhone 11 now available at metric by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are listening out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.